Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create a CV or resume using ChatGPT in just 1 minute. First of all, open your ChatGPT and type here make a resume and send this command. And as you can see, the ChatGPT is generating a basic resume here. After generated, you can copy this resume and paste it in your doc file, and you can customize this resume from here. So that's how you can make a CV resume using ChatGPT in just 1 minute. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.